My name is Manita Teda. I am studying second class. Ramu, the nice boy. Ramu lives in a village. His father is a milkman. They have 2 buffaloes and 3 cows. Ramu wakes up early in the morning. He likes to see his father milking the buffaloes and cows. He also my name is Manita. He also goes with his father to sell milk. He goes to school after this work. He goes to school regularly. He always helps his father friends. In the evening, he studies for some time and goes to bed.